I really wish you had known about this awesome trading strategy earlier. You'd have had enough money to buy not just this car or house, but even a jet. Seriously, this trading strategy on Tradingview is almost foolproof. The signals it generates are so accurate that out of 50 trades we tested, we only lost one. We tried it on a $500 real account, and by the end of the week, our balance was over $8,000. Anyone can use this simple strategy to become a successful trader in no time. To know the full strategy and the indicators used in the setup, make sure to watch the entire video without skipping. We'll guide you on how to nail perfect trade entries every single time. I promise by the end of the video, you'll have a strategy in your hands that can help you generate a stable income every day. So let's dive in. Open up a fresh chart on Tradingview and select your favorite time frame. I suggest using a 5 to 15 minute time frame for this strategy. Once you've selected it, click on the indicator tab. But hold on, first a word from my trading family, one of the best trading exchanges on the internet. Seriously, if you want to become a pro trader and rake in big bucks, join the Bybit Trading Exchange. They've created the most user-friendly platform with the best tools and fees for trading, along with providing access to various options and amazing market analysis. Copy trading and bots making millions. Cents as a video link, sir, to check the link above here or down in the description. Now, back to the indicators. Search for multiple EMA and apply it. It might be one of the simplest indicators on Tradingview, but it's a favorite among multi-millionaire traders. Next, add another powerful indicator for accurate entries. Search for Bollinger Band Stochastic RSI Extreme Signal and apply it. But remember, without proper optimization of settings, these indicators won't work as expected. So pay close attention to this part or you'll miss out. First, adjust the settings for the multiple EMA indicator. Change the first length from 10 to 9 and ensure the rest of the lengths are set to 20, 50, 100, and 200. Also, ensure all sources are set to close. Then for the Bollinger Band Stochastic RSI Extreme Signal Indicator, adjust the lengths and limits as instructed in the video. Take a snapshot of these settings if needed and save the changes. Now, look at the chart. Those arrows have already become much more accurate than before, but we're aiming for perfect entries. To learn how to take perfect entries without losing any trades, watch the next part of the video carefully. For buy setups, we'll use the right combination of both indicators to get scalping signals. Wait for the market to cross all the EMA lines in a downward direction, then wait for a green signal to appear. But we'll only accept this signal if there's a decent distance between the lines from the EMA indicator. If the lines are too close, wait for them to create a gap. Once there's enough gap, execute the trade on the next candle. Set your stop loss just below the low of the previous candle and set your take profit adaptively to the EMA lines. For sell setups, the conditions are exactly the opposite. Wait for the market to climb above all the EMA lines, then wait for a red signal to appear. Once a proper setup has formed, execute your trade on a new candle. Set your stop loss above the recent high and take profit when the market touches any of the EMA lines. Remember not to be greedy, book your profits and exit quickly. You can also make huge profits by learning trading tricks and getting access to private indicators. Use this strategy and let us know if you have any doubts or questions. We'll help you become a successful trader by always posting more free strategies and indicator videos on this channel. So make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon. We also have many other working strategies posted, so be sure to check them out. I hope you've learned something new today. See you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.